For my recording, I will be doing about Labrador Retrievers. So, it says that the Labrador Retriever was bred to be a friendly companion, and a useful working dog. And historically, earned their keep as a fisherman's helper, hauling nets, fetching ropes, and retrieving fish from the chilly North Atlantic. So, they like to fetch, and down here are the characteristics of the breed. Um, They apparently have 1 star of adapting well to apartment living. So they don't usually live well in apartments. Um, they are good for novice owners, which is 3 stars. And they have 5 stars for sensitivity level, so they're very sensitive. And they don't like to usually be alone, and so they only have a 2 star rating for tolerating being alone. They have a 3 star rating for tolerating cold weather, and also a 3 star for tolerating hot weather. So they have full stars for all around friendliness, and they're very friendly dogs. They are bred to be friendly and for family, as you can see here. So they are affectionate with family, incredibly kid-friendly dogs, dog-friendly, and friendly towards strangers. And I have a lab, and she's all these things, definitely. And so, health grooming overall, she got 4 stars. Yeah, they do shed. They have 5 stars for shedding. That means they shed a lot. Drooling potential, they have 3. I don't really know how to rank that, but yeah, 3. They're very easy to groom because all you have to do is really have a brush. You don't need to really get them taken to do anything. Their general health is 3 stars, so they're usually pretty healthy. Their potential for weight gain is 5 stars, and my dog does gain weight very easily. And then their size is 4 stars, so they're not a small dog. They're kind of larger than a medium dog. So some people consider them big dogs. And they have 4 stars for their trainability. So they're easy to train. They have 5 stars, and they're very intelligent, and they have a high potential for mouthiness. They only have a 2 star prey drive, like they want to go and fetch prey. And then their tendency to bark or howl is 4, and my dog does bark a lot. And their wanderlust potential is 3, and they do need a lot of exercise, and so their energy level is 5 stars, and so is their intensity and exercise needs and potential for playfulness. They usually live for 10 to 12 years, and they're usually sporting dogs, like for hunting and stuff. They usually weigh to 55 to 80 pounds, and the males are usually bigger. And their average height is 1 foot 9 inches to 2 feet tall at the shoulder.